Hello, movie lovers. Matt Cochran here, and I have a pretty great crime thriller for you. It's called The Locksmith, starring Ryan Phillippe, Ving Rhames, and Kate Bosworth. Ryan Phillippe plays a recently paroled thief and locksmith looking to start off on a better foot and uh, hopefully work his way back into his loved one's life after 10 years of being in prison for crime where his best friend got killed after he got set up by a crooked cop that was in on the heist. So he's just out to try to work the straight and narrow and hopefully have a relationship with his daughter. But when an acquaintance, an acquaintance from his past, the sister of his best friend who has a lot of guilt for getting him killed, comes to him for help. He gets roped into doing what he does best to try and save her. But little does he know that all may be a setup by the sister of his best friend for revenge that would threaten his future with his family. But will they unknowingly uncover a seed of corruption that will bring corrupt cops down, including the very same cop that set him up to begin with? And in doing so, would he and his ex-wife may have to team up together to save their daughter from harm. This is a very great movie. It is stacked top to bottom with exceptional actors, and it proves that if you keep certain politics out of the movie and just focus on the creativity and the writing and just the movie experience, movies can still be great and entertaining. I give this a well-deserved 5 out of 5. You need to see this. It's a great movie. It's available on Amazon Prime, other streaming networks, and probably by now on DVD and Blu-ray. You'll like it. Viewer discretion advised though, because some of the stuff may be too intense for younger audiences, but it's worth watching. So so if you're on YouTube, hit me like, subscribe to my channel. If you're on Rumble, hit me a like, subscribe to my channel, and of course watch those movies. Um, if you have any comments you'd like to leave me, leave them down in my comment sections below. And if you want to join Rumble but haven't yet, register with my referral link and it will give me a slight commission if you do. And before I sign off, I'd like to let you know that I may be temporarily cutting my workload to 3 uploads because I am currently going to be working on a separate project from this channel, and I need to devote one day of my normal work schedule to figure that out, because I think it's going to be something interesting and very different from what I do here, and it's probably going to be just for Rumble. So I'll let you know when I'm ready, and when I have it out, I will have a link to that somewhere in a review once I get it ready. So yeah, it'll be interesting.